Today we will be solving first exercise or first problem set from page number 61 from chapter number 3 arithmetic progression. Here is that problem set. Which of the following sequences are AP? This is the first question. And another question in the same question, if they are AP, यदि वो AP है तो find the common difference. तो आप लोगों को common difference भी find out करना है. तो यहाँ पर first sum है 2, 4, 6, 8. This is your sequence which is given to you. So here in this particular example T1 is 2. यहाँ पर आपको दिखाई देगा T1 2, T2 is 4. Can you see T2? Then it will be T3, T3 6. This will be T4 which is equal to 8. Now let us find the difference between consecutive term. Consecutive मतलब successive, एक के पीछे एक आने वाले terms को कहा जाता है consecutive terms. So पहला आएगा T2 minus T1. T2 में से T1 को subtract करो, it will be 4 minus 2 which is equal to 2. Similarly T3 minus T2. T3 में से T2, 6 and 4, these are the terms, so it will be 6 minus 4 which is once again equal to 2. T4 minus T3 which is equal to 8 minus 6 is equal to 2. Therefore this shows that, what it shows, this proves that or this shows that difference between any two consecutive terms, consecutive मतलब अभी मैंने बोला आपको successive terms, is constant. तो वो constant है. What is that constant? 2. Therefore it shows given sequence is an AP. AP means arithmetic progression. And what is the common difference? Common difference is 2. ये जो common difference है ये 2 है. Now we'll move towards example number 2. So here is that example number 2 for you. So look at the second example here. 2, 5 by 2, 3, 7 upon 3. So here T1 is equal to 2. T2 is equal to 5 by 2, T3 is equal to 3, T4 is equal to 7 upon 3. So let us find the difference between consecutive terms. T2 minus T1 is equal to 5 by 2 minus 2 upon 1. Let us take cross multiplication. It is 2, but I have written for my convenience as 2 upon 1. So it will be 5 ones are 5 minus 2 twos are 4 upon 2. It is equal to 1 by 2. Similarly, T3 minus T2. T3 is 3. So I have written 3 upon 1 minus 5 upon 2. Taking cross multiplication, 3 twos are 6 minus 5 ones are 5 upon 2. 6 minus 5, once again it gives us 1 upon 2. T4 minus T3 is equal to 7 upon 3 minus this T3 is 3, but for my convenience I have taken it as 3 upon 1. Taking cross multiplication, 7 ones are 7 minus 3 threes are 9. That gives us minus 2 upon 3. So here you can see that this difference between consecutive terms, पहला दो तो 1 upon 2 आया है, लेकिन जो तीसरा आया है वो minus 2 upon 3 आया है. Means this difference is not at all constant. So therefore I have written here that this shows that difference between the consecutive terms is not constant. It is not constant. वो same नहीं है, constant नहीं है. Therefore above sequence is not an arithmetic progression or AP. So here we are once again with example number 3. Example number 3 is minus 10, minus 6, minus 2, 2, dash, dash, dash. So find out T1, T2, T3, T4. So T1 is minus 10, T2 is minus 6, T3 is minus 2, T4, 2. Therefore, what will be T2 minus T1? Minus 6 minus of minus 10. Minus of minus 10 becomes plus 10. तो 10 में से ये 6 चले जाने के बाद आपको आएगा 4. Similarly, T3 minus T2 is equal to minus 2. This minus sign of minus 6 is equal to minus 2. Minus of minus 6 हो गया plus 6. तो आंसर फिर से आ गया आपका 4. Similarly, T4 minus T3 is equal to 2 minus of minus 2. That gives us 2. Minus of minus 2 means plus 2 is equal to 4. So आप लोग यहाँ पे देख सकते हैं जो डिफरेंस है वो सेम आया है. डिफरेंस बिटवीन कॉन्जिक्यूटिव टर्म्स इज सेम, देयरफॉर गिवन सीक्वेंस इज एन AP. And what is the common difference now, which is denoted by letter D, is 4. So I have written common difference as 4. We move towards example number 4. So here is that example number 4. So example number 4 is 0.3, 0.3, 0.33, 0.333. Therefore T1, T2 and T3. T1 is 0.3, T2 is 0.33, T3 is 0.333. Therefore T2 minus T1 is equal to 0.33 minus 0.3. तो ये जो डिफरेंस है वो कितना आएगा? 0.03. Similarly, T3 minus T2 is equal to 0.333 minus 0.33. तो ये जो डिफरेंस है ये आने वाला है 0.003. तो यहां पर आप देख सकते हैं ये डिफरेंस सेम नहीं है. एक है 0.03 और दूसरा है 0.003. Therefore, the difference between two consecutive terms in this particular sequence is not constant. Therefore, given sequence is not an AP. So we'll move towards example number 5. Here is example number 5. 0, minus 4, minus 8, minus 12. Now we'll solve it. So here we are with the solution of example number 5. T1 is 0, T2 is minus 4, T3 minus 8, T4 minus 12. Therefore, T2 minus T1, T2 minus T1 is equal to minus 4 minus 0. तो आएगा आंसर minus 4. T3 minus T2 minus 8 minus 4. तो minus of minus 4 हो जाएगा plus 4. फिर से इन दोनों का डिफरेंस आया minus 4. T4 minus T3 minus 12 minus of minus 8. ये सब्ट्रैक्शन करने के बाद फिर आप एक बार आएगा minus 4. So this shows that difference between consecutive terms is constant. Therefore, given sequence is an AP. Now we are moving towards example number 6. It is minus 1 upon 5, minus 1 upon 5, minus 1 upon 5. These are the terms in a sequence which is given to us. Now we'll see the terms. T1 minus 1 upon 5 है, T2 भी minus 1 upon 5 है, T3 भी minus 1 upon 5 ही है. Therefore, T2 minus T1 is equal to minus 1 upon 5 minus minus 1 upon 5. तो 1 upon 5 जो माइनस है, minus 1 upon 5 में से minus 1 upon 5 का सब्ट्रैक्शन किए, मतलब उसी नंबर में से उसी नंबर को सब्ट्रैक्ट करना, तो आंसर तो आएगा 0. सिमिलरली T3 minus T2 is equal to minus 1 upon 5 minus 1 upon 5, that gives us 0. Therefore, difference between consecutive terms is once again constant. Therefore, rule says that given sequence, जो sequence आपको दिया है, is an AP, and what is the common difference here? 0. So common difference is 0. We move towards example number 7, which is little important one. It may come in the exam. So see here example number 7. First term is 3. Next term 3 root 2. Then 3 plus 2 root 2. And the last, which is the term given to you, fourth term 3 plus 3 root 2, so on. It is the infinite sequence. Remember, only 4 terms are seen. So T1 is 3, T2 is 3 root 2, T3 is 3 plus 2 root 2, T4 3 plus 3 root 2. Therefore, T2 minus T1 is equal to 3 root 2 minus 3. 3 गेट कैंसल, तो आपका आंसर आएगा केवल रूट 2. Now T3 minus T2, I have written them in bracket because they are binomial surds like. So 3 plus 2 root 2 minus 3 plus root 2. Open the bracket, 3 plus 2 root 2 minus 3 minus root 2. Here once again 3 and 3 plus 3 minus 3 get cancelled. 2 root 2 minus root 2. 2 root 2 में से एक root 2 चला गया तो आपको आएगा root 2. Similarly, T4 minus T3 is equal to 3 plus 3 root 3 minus 3 plus 3 root 2 minus 3 plus 2 root 2. Open the bracket, 3 plus 3 root 2 minus 3 minus 2 root 2. These 3 get cancelled because one is plus, another one is minus. So in the end it will be 3 root 2 minus 2 root 2. तो 3 root 2 minus 2 root 2 कितना हो जाएगा? केवल root 2. So here I have written root 2. Can you see 3 root 2 minus 2 root 2 as root 2? Therefore, difference between consecutive terms is constant. Therefore, given sequence is an AP. And what is the common difference? So the common difference, which is equal to D, is root 2. You can see here, common difference is root 2. Now we have another example, example number 8. It is 127, 132, 137 dash dash dash. So T1 127, T2 132, T3 137. Check T2 minus T1, तो वो आएगा 132 minus 127 as 5. T3 minus T2, 137 minus 132, once again 5. So therefore, difference between consecutive terms is constant. मतलब वो same है, 5. Therefore, given sequence is an arithmetic progression or AP. And what is the common difference? D is equal to 5. So here we come to the end of example number 1. Now we'll start with example number 2. I will read it for you. It says that write an AP whose first term is A and common difference is D in each of the following. तो आपको AP लिखना है. AP मतलब अरिथमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन आपको लिखना है जिसका फर्स्ट टर्म A दिया है और कॉमन डिफरेंस भी दिया है. तो यहां पर मैंने लिया है फर्स्ट एग्जाम्पल. लुक एट द फर्स्ट एग्जाम्पल. A is 10. A means first term and D is 5. So A 10, D is equal to 5. Therefore, T1 is equal to A is equal to 10 and D is equal to 5 that I have written. So T1 is 10. What will be T2 then? T1 में आपको वो common difference को add करना है. So it will be T1 plus D. That means 10 plus 5, 15. T3 इट विल बी, इसके पहले का टर्म जो है T2, उसमें कॉमन डिफरेंस को ऐड करो. सो T3 विल बी T2 प्लस D इज इक्वल टू 15 प्लस 5 इज इक्वल टू 20. देयरफॉर AP, दैट मीन्स अरिथमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन इज, पहला टर्म 10 आया था, दूसरा टर्म 15 है, तीसरा टर्म 20 है, सो ऑन. वी मूव टूवर्ड्स example number second. So look at the example number second. So here we are, example number second. A -3 आपको दिया जा चुका है और जो कॉमन डिफरेंस है वो 0 है. Therefore T1 is equal to A is equal to -3 and D is equal to 0. So T1 is -3, T2 -3 plus 0, that means -3. T3, T2 plus D, that means -3 plus 0, again -3. Therefore all the terms are -3. Therefore arithmetic progression is -3, -3, -3 and so on. Look at next example. A is -7 और जो D है वो 1/2 है. तो जो T1 है वो A है, वो -7 है, और जो D है मतलब कॉमन डिफरेंस 1/2 है. T2 कैसा आएगा फिर? A प्लस D बोलो या तो T1 प्लस D. यहां पर मैंने लिखा -7 जो T1 है प्लस 1/2. So for my convenience I have taken 7 as -7/1. Taking cross multiplication, it gives us -14 plus 1/2, that gives us -13/2. तो सिंप्लीफिकेशन करने के बाद -13/2 का सिंप्लीफिकेशन करने के बाद आपको आएगा -6.5. Similarly T3 which is equal to T2 plus D is equal to -13/2 plus 1/2. इनका जो डिनोमिनेटर है वो सेम है, तो केवल एडिशन सब्ट्रैक्शन जो भी होगा वो न्यूमरेटर का, -13 plus 1 -12. So it will be -12/2, that gives us 6. So what will be your arithmetic progression then? पहला टर्म -7 है जो आपको ऑलरेडी दिया है, दूसरा टर्म -6 है, यहां से आया है, और तीसरा टर्म जो यहां पे मैंने लिखा है -6 and so on. So these are the terms in example number 3. Now we'll move towards example number 4. Here is at example number 4. Okay. So example number 4 is A आपको दिया है -1.25 और D है 3. तो टर्म्स लिखेंगे T1A is equal to -1.25 और डिफरेंस 3 लिखा है जो दिया है आपको. T2 will be T1 plus D -1.25 plus 3. इनका एडिशन मैंने यहां किया है, तो मैंने पहले 3 लिखा. 3 is nothing but 3.00 और -1.25 मैंने नीचे लिखा, जिनका सब्ट्रैक्शन मुझे करना है. So after subtracting them you will get 1.75. So here I have written T2 as 1.75. Now similarly T3 is equal to T2 plus D. आपको T2 आया है 1.75 जो मैंने यहां पर लिखा प्लस 3. इन दोनों का एडिशन मैंने यहां किया 1.75 plus 3. 3 means 3 point nothing, that means 0. So after adding them you have 4.75. Therefore our AP in example number 4 is -1.25, 1.75, 4.75 and so on. Now we move towards example number 5. So here is an example number 5 with its complete solution. We'll see to it. Yeah. A 6 दिया है और जो कॉमन डिफरेंस है वो -3 है. So T1 which is equal to A is 6 and D is -3. Therefore T2 will be T1 plus D means 6 plus -3. तो 6 में से -3 चले गए तो आपको आएगा आंसर 3. T3 will be T2 plus D 3 plus -3. So it will be 3 minus 3, that gives us 0. Therefore arithmetic progression AP is पहला टर्म 6 आया, दूसरा 3, तीसरा 0 and so on. Here is example number 6. So example number 6 says that A जो है वो -19 है, इट इज -19, और जो D है वो -4 है. So T1 is equal to A is equal to -19 and T2 is equal to T1 plus D, that means -19 plus -4. So -19 and -4 का आंसर आएगा -23. T3 T2 plus D, that means -23 plus -4. तो ये दोनों माइनस है तो उनका एडिशन होगा, लेकिन आंसर आएगा माइनस, जो आया है -27. तो आपका जो एपी है वो आएगा -19, -23, -27, so on. Now we move towards the last example, which is example number 3 from practice set 3.1. It is said that find the first term and common difference for each AP. So the first AP is 5, 1, -3, -7, so on. So here T1 जो फर्स्ट टर्म है T1 वो दिया जा चुका है 5. तो कॉमन डिफरेंस आपको निकालना है. कॉमन डिफरेंस मतलब डिफरेंस बिटवीन सक्सेसिव टर्म्स. सक्सेसिव मतलब T2 minus T1, T3 minus T2, etc. So here I have T2 minus T1. T2 minus T1 कितना आया? 1 minus 5, that gives us -4. Similarly, T3 minus T2, T3 minus T2. So it will be -3 minus 1, again -4. T4 minus T3, that also gives us -4. Therefore A is equal to 5 and D is equal to, that means common difference is -4. Here is the another example. It says that sequence or arithmetic progression is 0.6, 0.9, 1.2, 1.5 respectively. These are the first 4 terms. We will calculate the common difference and so first term is 0.6 and the common difference D. You can write all the terms together as D is equal to T2 minus T1, T3 minus T2, T4 minus T3. Calculate, it will be 0.9 minus 0.6, 1.2 minus 0.9, 1.5 minus 1.2. तो तीनों बार आपको आएगा 0.3. Therefore, in this sequence, first term is 0.6 and the common difference is 0.9. Now we move towards last sum from this particular exercise. 1/4, 3/4, 5/4 and 7/4. So you can see T1 is 1/4 and common difference in each of the cases T2 minus T1 it is equal to 3/4 minus 1/4, as 2/4 is equal to 1/2 and so on. You can get the common difference in each case as 1/2. Therefore in this particular example A is equal to 1/4 and common difference D is equal to 1/2. So here we come to the end of this particular exercise 3.1.